Hey friends, if to tidy up together, let's make our room sparkle. Then clean up, put things right. Tidy up before the night. Toys go here and books go there. Let's show how much we care. Teamwork makes it super fun. We can do it, everyone. Stack the blocks and close the lids. Clean up champs, amazing kids. Crayons back into their box. No more stepping on Lego blocks. Teddy's home is on the bed. Let's clean up before we're fed. Teamwork makes it super fun. We can do it, everyone. Stack the blocks and close the lids. Clean up champs, amazing kids. Cleaning's like a game we play. We win when things are put away. Great job, friends, we did it right. Now we rest, good night, good night. Good night.
Hi friends! Did you have fun watching? I've got lots more amazing videos coming just for you. Hey, don't forget to click me. I'm the subscribe button. When you click me, you'll never miss the fun. Go on, give me a tap.